You searched how to buy shares of Valneva SE. Valneva is a biotech company focused on vaccine development, listed on NASDAQ with the ticker VALN. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy VALN, you must use a broker. We will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker VALN to locate Valneva's listing. Select the NASDAQ result that matches Valneva SE to open the stock page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it's Valneva SE. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and the VALN ticker before moving to buy. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your Valneva position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.